Good morning, y'all. It is Regina from Marsh Knitting 101. Welcome in, my yarny and crafty friends. Welcome in, my new family members and returning family members. I like to take time out to thank each and every one of you guys for coming in, leaving me comments, leaving me my thumbs up, and just giving me support. I love it. I support each and every one of you, and I am so thankful that you guys are over here helping me grow. I really appreciate you guys. Love y'all. All right, so what's in your guys' cup? I got some coffee in my beautiful coffee cup that says be thankful with my beautiful flowers. And also, what's on your hooks, your needles, your canvases? Or are you guys out gardening, getting ready to plant your garden? Leave me a comment down below to let me know. I am probably after I get caught up on my knitting, because I need to get my socks done, I'm going to go plant my trees, my flower trees, if you guys seen that video. And I need to repot a couple plants and start working on our seeds for the garden and to get my tea herbs out. I'm excited. Can't wait. All right. So it is Saturday, April the 23rd, and I worked yesterday and I finally got my Lion Brand order. Yay! I'm excited. I was watching everyone else. I was like, oh, come on. I'm gonna get mine soon. So I know that was really good yarn deal. Like, I love Lion Brand. So thank you, Lion Brand, for giving us the opportunity to get some good yarn. All right. But might need to work on your mystery boxes. Wink, wink. Just saying. So who wants to see what's inside? Oh, if I can reach it. What's inside the box, Mr. Lion Brand? What did I get? Are you guys ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, I'm going to open it up. So, if those who ordered from Lion Brand, what kind of stuff did you guys order? And what do you guys have plans for? My plans is some Christmas presents. Mostly, because it's like, I was doing inventory, because like I'm new, so I'm ordering yarn and trying to get my stuff squared away so I know what I'm doing. This is so soft. I was like, do you think he ordered enough? I'm like, nah, I probably need to order a couple more. But I usually wait for the sales. I'm a sell gal. Oh my goodness, I get it so you can't. Oh, you guys want to see inside the box? Are you guys ready? Here we go. What's that? Look at all that yarniness. What? Beautiful colors of the ocean, of the yarn. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just excited. Alright, so are we ready? Okay, so we will start. I ordered, let's see if I can get my list out. I got the flat mode. You guys can see it in this mustard. I think it's the mustard color. Yeah, mustard. So this is, I hate the sound of that noise. It's 328 yards. It is 53 I can't even say it, Vesco, 37% acrylic and 10% nylon. It is a medium 4, which that does not look like a 4. That looks more like a 3. But as you can see, the beautiful colors. Now, I ordered this because I am going to make my daughter a sweater for Christmas. And she likes the color yellow. So I think I got 6 of these. So there's some more. And it's swishy and beautiful. I actually like this color. Let's move that lid out. You guys aren't seeing the top of the box. Well, I guess it wants to stay in there. So yeah. So I ordered this. So they are, I guess I can take one out just to show you guys. So this is what it looks like. Flexmo. I think it's what it's called. I'm horrible pronouncing stuff, so yes. And this color is called mustard. So the color, I think, is 1581. But see, I don't think that's a 4 at all. That's like a 3 almost. So yeah. But it's squishy. And I think it's going to make a beautiful sweater. I hope I calculated right. Alright, so, and then I ordered it in red too. I don't like to open it just in case maybe I don't like it and I get rid of it. But I ordered it. This color is spice. Now I ordered the spice, so maybe I could make me a little sweater or cardigan. And they are 328 yards, a 4 medium. Knitting needle is a 7 4.5. Crochet hook is an H. Is that a B5? Because the thing is so tiny I can't read it. But yeah, I don't know. It's like backwards. But yeah, I like it. It's so pretty. And I think it will make a cute little sweater. But I just don't feel like it's a 4. But maybe I'm just new and I just don't know. But it looks like a 3 to me. But I think it's going to work out beautiful. So I'm excited about that. So I estimated that hopefully I got the right size. I looked up a couple sweater patterns before I ordered it. So I know which ones to get. Alright. What else is in here? Okay. And then I ordered a pound of love. Because I was like, alright. So when I ordered the mystery box, I got the straw. So I was like, well, I think this will kind of go. And I thought also maybe making a sweater or cardigan for a Christmas present. Or just to have it. This one is, I can tube it. It is Taupe, and it is a number 4, and the hook size, and it's 1,020 yards, 932 millimeters, 16 ounces, 454 grams. Needle size is an 8, 5 millimeter for knitting, and crochet is a J10, 6 millimeter. So I think this will work pretty with that straw. If not, I'll have it for something else, maybe to make pillow decorations. Alright. Now this is where oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Alright. So then, I got Boogie Nights. I just like the little sparkle bling bling in it. This is 3 ounces, 85 grams, 149 yards. It's 100% polyester. It is a 5 bulky. Crochet hook is a K 10.5. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Knitting needles are a 10, 6 millimeter. It says machine wash only, lay flat to dry. So, and this color is VIP. Look at them grays. And the sparkle in there. Look at that. Is it going to focus? There we go. So, that's gray. And then I ordered another Boogie Night. And this is Joker. I just love the names they come up with. This one's pretty. Look at the colors. It's more of a darker red. It's showing up like a light red, but it's a dark red. So yay. And then, because I ordered 7 of these, so they came individually. So some more of the yarn. Oh my goodness. Ready? You ready? And I ordered ordered Hometown. I love the Hometown yarn. This is 5 ounces, 142 grams, 81 yards, 74 millimeters. It's 100% acrylic, machine wash at 86 Fahrenheit, 30 Celsius. Do not bleach, do not iron, and it's a bulky 6. It is a size 13 9mm knitting needle, and a crochet hook is an N13. And this color is called Pumpkin. Pumpkin. I think it's so cute. So I got 2 of these. So one of these, this is what I love about Lion Brand. They have like these little things so you know how many you need to get. 1 makes a hat, 4 makes a scarf, and about 10 of these will make a sweater. So that's really cool. And then I ordered 2 of Hometown USA in the pink, and it is a super bulky 6. It is 5 ounces, 142 grams, 81 yards, 74 millimeters. For some reason that does not want to come out, and it is 100% acrylic, super bulky, and this color is called Pink. They have names, but like, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but that's the name of it. It's pink, and it's squishy. So I got pink. Ooh, coming at you, isn't it? And then I got 1 purple. This is Woolies Thick and Quick. It is 6 ounces, 170 grams, 106 yards, 97 millimeters. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool. It's a 6, bulky 6. And it's, you can machine washable and dryable. So you can wash and dry this. So, and it is a super bulky 6. Needle size is a 13 9mm in the knitting, and the crochet is an N13 9mm. And the color is called Lollipop. I love that name. It's so cute. Lollipop. Alright. And then I got some more Hometown. This is called Bar Harbor Blizzard. Harbor Blizzard. And it is 4 ounces. See, look at these colors. 4 ounces, 113 grams, 64 ounces, 59 millimeter. It's a 6 super bulky. It's 100% acrylic. So I like these colors. They're simple and plain. So I ordered 2 of these because 2 of these will make a hat. So if you guys can kind of catch on, like maybe making some hats for Christmas. Alright. And my last 2. And this is called, I like this kind too, Heartland Thick and Quick. Crafted yarn. It is so soft, and it's pretty. I like it. The green. It is 125 yards. It is 5 ounces, 142 grams, 114 millimeters. It is 100% acrylic. It's a size 6, bulky. And this color is called, I'm just going to put it on here, something tree. Jocelyn's tree. I think it's Joshua tree. Oh, it's so soft. I just love it. So I got 2 of these. Smell the yarn. And that is all. Make sure I... Alright. That is all up in the box. So, what do you guys think? So, I'm going to be obviously making some hats for Christmas. So, just love this color. I just love the name of that lollipop. So, I know it's not like super interesting, but I just like, I sat down, I sat and made, like, I had all these papers. I was like, all right, I need to make hats. I want to make some sweaters, work on some socks. And I was like, well, it's wintertime. And I'm going to try maybe to make some mittens too. So, I think I got yarn in my mouth. But these are beautiful. I like the greens. And then I got the pinks. And then I got this. I just like the orange color too. And this Boogie Night. I've never tried this, so this looks really cool. Has anyone tried it out there? If so, let me know. I'm excited because that's a lot of yarn. Like one of these, two of these make a scarf, and one makes a hat. Just like these colors. And I thought they kind of went together. So if I wanted to like make a scarf, I have a scarf. Or if I wanted to make a hat for each of them. Yeah. Or maybe, sorry for that. Live by the road. Always a lot of traffic. So there's that. So there's these, and they're soft. I might try ordering a couple more of the same color. Maybe order two more of these and two more of these. So then I can make a scarf and a hat set. That's a good idea. I didn't think that one through all the way. And then, of course, the Pound of Love. I was hoping to get the straw so I could match it, but I was like, well, this is kind of close because it's like a brown. I could like stripe it or something. And then this, I wish I would have known that before I opened them. There's this here. I like this. I think this is going to work out beautiful for a shirt, a sweater, because it's so light. So it's not going to be like one of them heavy warm sweaters, but I think it'll be nice because it is soft. It's not really squishy, but it's soft. So I mean, like I thought about doing these two colors together, like striping, but I think this alone, like the mustard, is beautiful. I like the mustard color. I think she'll like that. And then this is spice, mustard and spice. So that is my unboxing of my Lion Brand, and I hope everybody enjoys. I know it was kind of some weird stuff that maybe you guys don't get, but I like to make the hats with the thick stuff, and I want to try to make some mittens. So my goal is, I know it's already April. April's almost over, so I got May, June, I got like a few more months. So I'm gonna work on my Christmas stuff now. So that's why I needed to hurry up and get my St. Patty's Day shawl done so I can use some needles to work on my cardigans or my sweaters. I'm not sure. I don't know if I'll make mine a sweater. I'll probably make mine a cardigan. So I have to look at the pattern. I think I got enough. So we'll find out. If not, I gotta go shopping again. Alright. Well, let me know what you guys think of my yarn haul. What you like and what you don't like. Or if you like the colors or any ideas on putting colors together, because I am not very good at matching stuff. Not color wise, no. I just put, I like wearing black clothes because black's easy to match. Anything goes with black. I don't like to wear white because I get it dirty too easy. So, well, that's enough of my blabbing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Until next time, have a wonderful and blessed day and rock yarn. Bye, y'all.